Hi everybody, welcome back to Travel and Tantrums. Thanks for tuning in again, and today we're going to do a quick video on Siam insect zoo. A really different and fun thing to do in Chiang Mai is to go to the Siam Insect Zoo. What an incredible zoo to take your children for a hands-on experience. I highly recommend coming. You start off by looking at all the preserved insects, and then you make your way on to the more exciting hands-on area. All the staff are really friendly and they spend a lot of time with you showing you all the different insects. We got to hold stick insects, leaf insects, lizards, beetle larvae, and for more of the adventurous people, you can also hold on to the spiders and scorpions. This isn't a big zoo. We would comfortably spend 1 to 2 hours here. Our children were 3 to 4 at the time. As a family, we really enjoyed it, and I would probably say this would suit any aged families. I really enjoyed myself. The kids loved it. So when you first walk in, you walk into more of the preserved bugs and insects. As soon as the kids were given the torch, they were straight off into the dark area. They were fascinated. It was a bit like a bug hunt, really. So some really cool things in the butterfly garden. You saw the stages of the butterflies, so you see them making themselves a cocoon and then as well as hatching out of the cocoon. So many butterflies in there for the kids just to watch. Each different area that there's a different guide that will teach you about the bugs or the insects, put them on you and take photos, which is great. So you get to have a lot of photos with your family if you do want that. It's actually very educational. The kids get to learn about all the different types of bugs and biodiversity, their native habitats, as well as their life cycle. So Leo's favourite area was the beetle larvae. The beetle larvae are massive. We always knew that Leo was into bugs, but we didn't realise how much until we came to this insect zoo. And sitting down with one of the ladies talking about the beetle larvae, which are massive. He sat down, he had them in his hands, he had 3 or 4 that were crawling around him. He absolutely loved it, and the lady was doing such a good job, and they were both holding up beetle larvae talking to each other. It was quite funny. It is very educational. The kids get to learn about their native habitat and the biodiversity. But the good thing is, as a parent, you get to join in. You're not just standing back letting the kids have all the fun. It really is about family interaction. We made some incredible memories at Siam Insect Zoo. One very cool thing towards the end, the scorpion area, quite fascinating and something I didn't know, you can see glow-in-the-dark scorpions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to go to the Siam Insect Zoo. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, or if you want to keep up to date with what we're doing, jump onto our Instagram page.